السلام علیکم ناظرین، ٹی پی چینل میں آپ سب کا خیر مقدم کرتا ہوں۔ سائنس ایگزیبیشن 2025 کا انعقاد آج 4 فروری 2025 بروز منگل کو ہدایہ ہائی اسکول کو ایجوکیشن انگلش میڈیم شانتی نگر سنگاریڈی میں عمل میں آیا۔ سائنسی نمائش کا افتتاح مہمانان خصوصی جناب نارائن ریڈی سول کنٹریکٹر اور جناب محمد سہیل علی ایکس کونسلر نے اپنے ہاتھوں سے ربن کٹ کرتے ہوئے افتتاح کیے۔ جناب منصور علی، جناب محمد مظہر اللہ خان جاوید اور جناب حافظ سید معین الدین صاحب نے مہمانوں کا استقبال کیا۔ سائنس ایگزیبیشن میں طلباء و طالبات نے اپنی تعلیمی قابلیت کا بہترین مظاہرہ کیا۔ پرمسرت موقع پر جناب پرنسپل صاحب ٹی پی چینل کے ذریعے آپ سب سے مخاطب ہوئے۔ تصاویر و ویڈیوز ملاحظہ فرمائیے۔ جزاک اللہ خیر۔
ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ۔ جیسا کہ سب کو معلوم ہے کہ آج ہدایہ ہائی اسکول میں سائنس ایگزیبیشن آرگنائز کیا گیا ٹیچرز کی طرف سے۔ اس کا مقصد یہ ہے کہ بچوں کو سائنس اور ٹیکنالوجی کے پریکٹیکلس کے ذریعے بہتر طور پر ہم ان کو کرا سکیں اور آنے والے چیلنجز کو اچھے سے ڈیل کر سکیں۔ اسی مقصد کے تحت یہ ایک پروگرام آرگنائز کیا گیا اور ہدایہ ہائی اسکول کا مقصد یہی ہے کہ بچوں کے ایک اچھی اکیڈمک ایجوکیشن دیں اور ساتھ ہی ساتھ ہم اسلامک ایتھکس اور اسلامک کلچر کو پروان چڑھائیں۔ اسی مقصد کے تحت ہماری کوششیں جاری ہیں۔ میں آخر میں ٹی پی چینل والوں کا شکریہ ادا کرتا ہوں کہ جنہوں نے مجھ کو یہ موقع دیا۔
Today we are going to present the model of layers of Earth plate synthesis. The outermost layer of the Earth is called the thickness of 35 to 60 km. The rest is considered dry elements. The Earth crust are lightly formed but are usually formed. The crust of the Earth is made among 2000 mantle. The mantle is the middle layer in the Earth. The upper and can be located between the core and crust. The line of producing this layer is thickness approximately 2900 km. The major element that make up the mantle are oxygen, silicon and magnesium. Let's see, this is outer core and inner core. The innermost part of the Earth is called core. It has two core, outer core and inner core, which are composed both iron and nickel. The main difference is that the outer core is a liquid and inner core is a solid. Thank you for listening. All the kind of reflex can regarding the confusion of Jammu. Thank you. This word for me. Now I'm saying about Jammu. Jammu is very harmful to our health. Jammu can hardly do or almost zero nutrition. Junk food are the most needed and big food. Junk food take and diet the body or nutritional factors. Thank you. Good morning everyone. February 2025. Today we are learning about healthy food. Healthy food is very important to live a healthy life. It makes our body healthy and strong. Healthy food keeps the diseases away. There are variety of healthy food available in the market. For buying food items, we must ensure the requirements of nutrients. Thank you. Please vote for me. Good morning everyone. I am Asma. Now I am going to say about healthy food contains protein, carbohydrates, we must never jump to have organic vegetables and fruits are better than animal should make an animal part of your life. Please vote for me. There are 5 series of vaccines. Eyes, nose, ears, and skin. Eyes are sensory organs, but the nose, they are
Ears are responsible for hearing and balance. Consist of movement parts. Eardrum is important for hearing. Care of your use of cotton bud between the ears. Do not put your finger pencil inside the ear. इस्लामिक बात लेकर आए हैं। आज मैं आप लोगों को खुलाफाए राशिदीन के बारे में कुछ मुख्तसर बातें बता दूँ। ये 4 खुलाफाए राशिदीन हैं। पहले हज़रत अबू बकर सिद्दीक़ रज़ियल्लाहु तआला अन्हु, दूसरा हज़रत उमर फारूक रज़ियल्लाहु तआला अन्हु, तीसरा हज़रत उस्मान गनी रज़ियल्लाहु तआला अन्हु और चौथा हज़रत अली मुर्तज़ा रज़ियल्लाहु तआला अन्हु। खुलाफाए राशिदीन इस्लाम के वो 4 पहले खलीफा हैं जो हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के बाद उम्मत मुस्लिमा के रहनुमा बने थे। इनका दौर इस्लाम की तारीख में एक अहम और रोशन दौर था जिसमें इस्लाम नाज़िल तरक्की अंदर सबको दुनिया भर में फैल गया। इन्होंने अपनी खिलाफत ईमान और इस्लाम को मजबूती और तरक्की की जज़ाकल्लाह। इस्लाम के अरकान 5 दिन को मानना और उन पर अमल करना हर मुसलमान पर गौर से पहला कलमा ये था, अल्लाह ताला के सिवा कोई माबूद नहीं और मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अल्लाह के आखिरी रसूल हैं। ये कलमा पाक जमा इस्लाम में दर्ज होने के पहले शर्त है। दूसरी नमाज पर मुसलमान हर दिन में 5 वक्त की नमाज फर्ज है, फजर, ज़ोहर, असर, मगरिब और इशा। तीसरा रोज़ा रमज़ान के महीने में रोज़ा रखना फर्ज है, रोज़े का मतलब तक़वा हासिल करना है। चौथा हर बहाने इस्तिदा मुसलमान हर बहाने अपने माल का 1 40 साल का करीब हमको देना फर्ज है। ज़कात देने से हमारे माल में इजाफा होता है। जिस मुसलमान के पास माल और ताकत है इस्लाम के एक अहम
Morning everyone, welcome to Science Day celebration in our school. Myself Muhammad Al from 6th standard. Today I am representing the model of DIY project. Aim to make theatre hall by DIY project. About this project is useful tools of paper or glass, reduce our education video through conclusion. The impact of model presentation and multi-effect the more technological advancement to enhance visual communication also can be a fun and creative way to watch educational videos and sliders. It creates enthusiasm in the children at a time of learning. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Prashant. I am studying Hajpura. Welcome to our science exhibition February 2025. Today we are presenting the model on motorcycle. Water. We all know water is very important in our life. We cannot imagine life without water. But we all have wondered where this water comes from and how we circulate land and atmosphere. Today we are going to introduce two motorcycle models. It includes evaporation, condensation, precipitation and connection. Today my friend Ashas will explain this process. Evaporation, diffusion, heat, water from ocean condenses clouds into water vapor. This process is called evaporation. The earth gets the water is in the form of rain, snow or water ocean comes to the other water vapor largest concentrated. Thank you.
Good morning. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity and it's my pleasure to introduce myself. Myself, I am Aditi, studying in 7th standard from Hidayah.
Myself, Aisha Siddiqa, studying in 7th Minas from Hidayah High School.
Our presentation is about acid and base. Now my friend will explain about acid and base.
First of all, take 1 glass and pour some water. After that, add some turmeric and salt. The quantity of add some detergent and salt. After that, we have to add half of lemon.
The color will be changed like previous.
Thank you.
Natural farming is defined as a chemical-free farming system that integrates crops, pests, and livestock. Natural farming is considered deforestation-free farming practice that can increase employment and rural development. Benefits of adopting methods of farming for market improvement in soil fertility and conservation in water and reduction of ecological impact. This is possible. This is solar current to generate electricity in water generated to water to plants. This is harvesting of plants. This is school of field. This is house of farmers. This is possible. Thank you.
And this is the medulla, inner region of the kidney, made up of pyramids and columns. This is the renal artery, supplies the blood to the kidney. This is the renal vein, removes the drains blood. These are the nephrons, functional unit of kidney. Each kidney contains around 1.2 to 1.
Myself, Dr. Saeed. Now we are going to present the working model on LPG gas leakage detection. In this project, we are going to guide you in creating an LPG gas leakage detection without using an audio. This is a forward and educational science project utilizing the LPG gas sensor. The project is perfect for demonstrating basic electronics and gas detection principles. Uses of gas detection in various cases. Sometimes people are forgetting to put off knob of the gas cylinder due to busy schedule. Sometimes people forget the gas inside water and have forgotten about it. At that time, gas sensor is necessary. But when testing material, gas ensure you must go in a controlled environment and follow all the safety protocols to avoid any kind of dangers. It is a versatile sensor which can detect LPG, methane, smoke, alcohol and all the concentrations in the air. Here we have a lighter. When the gas touches to the lighter, MQ2 gas sensor, buzzer makes blow up. In this project, we have concluded that it is a very useful term of its performance. Hence, the LPG gas leakage detection is essential to prevent accidents and save human lives. This project presented LPG gas leakage detection and alert system. Thank you for listening this. Good morning everyone. We would like to welcome you to the presentation of science exhibition in our prestigious school. We are from 10th standard. Myself, Madhya Jaria. The heart is called the complex section of human body. In the body, heart is divided into 4 chambers. The upper 2 chambers are called as atrias. As you can see here, these 2 chambers are called as atrias. Here, these are the atrias. And the lower 2 chambers are called as ventricles. These are ventricles. These are ventricles. The blood from here, all the oxygenated blood from all the body parts is collected by superior and inferior vena cava, which opens into right atrium. This is the right atrium. Collected, the oxygenated blood which is collected opens here, and due to the pressure, it travels into the right ventricle. And from the right ventricle, the pulmonary artery arises. It carries the deoxygenated blood to the lungs, and as we breathe oxygen, the deoxygenated blood gets oxygenated and travels back to the heart. And from the heart, from the left side, the largest artery of the human body, aorta, arises. The aorta supplies blood to all the human body parts except the lungs. The aorta is the largest artery in the human body. It is the largest from the left ventricle. You can see here, these are the caudate area and these are the papillary muscles, which withholds the pressure of blood in the ventricles. And here the lung and lung of the heart, which is due to the opening and closing of the valves present in the heart. One of the major diseases of sudden shock, which is very caused by heart attack. Heart attack also known as a myocardial infarction occurs when blood flow to the heart is poor, coronary artery becomes blocked. A sudden contraction of high cholesterol, diabetes, obesity, and immune disorder can increase your risk. The first aid of heart attack. The first aid is the immediate resistance provided by the person suffering from a dangerous illness until the professional medical help can be obtained. It is a crucial skill which saves lives and promotes recovery.
फरिश्तों को कहा जाता है जो अल्लाह के हुक्म के मुताबिक खास और अजीम कामों को अंजाम देते हैं। कुछ मशहूर फरिश्ते जिनका जिक्र कुरान और हदीस में आता है, उनमें से कुछ ये हैं: हज़रत जिब्राइल अलैहिस्सलाम, हज़रत मिकाईल अलैहिस्सलाम, हज़रत इस्राफील अलैहिस्सलाम, हज़रत इज़राईल अलैहिस्सलाम। जज़ाकल्लाहु खैरन कसीरा। अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम हामिया दोहा है और मैं शबीह की तौलिबा हूँ। अज़वाज मुतहहरात इस्लाम में प्यारे और मुक़द्दस औरतों को कहा जाता है जो रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के निकाह में थी, जिन्हें अल्लाह ने उम्मुल मोमिनीन का लक़ब दिया। अज़वाज मुतहहरात ने अपनी ज़िंदगी में बहुत से मुश्किलात का सामना किया, लेकिन उन्होंने हर हाल में सब्र का और शुक्र का मुज़ाहिरा किया। वो अपनी ज़िंदगी में अल्लाह की रज़ा और तक़वा को सबसे पहले रखती थी और हर मुश्किल में नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के साथ रही। अज़वाज मुतहहरात की तालीमात हमें ये सिखाती है कि एक मुसलमान औरत का मुकाम बुलंद, महफूज और पाकीज़ा होता है और इसकी अज़मत में कोई शक नहीं। जज़ाकल्लाहु खैरन कसीरा। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम आयत तस्लीन है। आज मैं आप लोगों को आसमानी किताबों के बारे में कुछ बातें बताना आती हूँ। आसमानी किताबें कुल 104 हैं। उनमें से 4 मशहूर किताबें हैं: तौरात, ज़बूर, इंजील, कुरान मजीद। आसमानी किताबें अल्लाह की तरफ से हिदायत का ज़रिया है। ये किताबें अपने वक्त के लिए इंसानियत को सही रास्ता दिखाती थी, लेकिन दुनिया वालों ने इन चीज़ों में से बहुत चीज़ें बदल डाली, सिवाय एक किताब जिसकी जिम्मेदारियों को तो खुदा ताला ने ली है, और वो कुरान मजीद है। कुरान अल्लाह की आखिरी और सबसे अहम किताब है जो हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम पर नाज़िल हुई। इसका सीखना हर मुसलमान पर ज़रूरी है। जज़ाकल्लाहु खैरन कसीरा। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम है उमैमा महदीन। ईद हमें अच्छी तरह समझ लेना चाहिए कि मुसलमानों की ईद सिर्फ 2 है: ईद उल फित्र और ईद उल अज़हा। इन दोनों ईदों की अपनी अपनी अहमियत और मकसद है। ईद के दिन मुसलमान अपने गुनाहों की माफ़ी मांगते हैं और अपने दिल में अल्लाह का शुक्राना अदा करते हैं। ईद का दिन सिर्फ खुशियाँ मनाने नहीं होता, बल्कि एक नई सफाई का भी दिन होता है। इस दिन लोग अपने आप को बेहतर बनाने का इरादा करते हैं और अपनी ज़िंदगी में बेहतरीन लाने की कोशिश करते हैं। अल्लाह हमारी ज़िंदगी को बेहतर बनाए, आमीन। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम अनीता राबिया बेगम है। हम दोनों शोबा से हैं। आज का हमारा मकसद हिजाब की अहमियत और उसके फ़ायदे हैं। पर्दा करने वाली औरत की कब्र कुछ इस तरह होगी और बगैर पर्दा करने वाली औरत की कब्र कुछ इस तरह صلاح ہوگی. ایک عورت کو پردے کی اہمیت اور اس کے فوائد کو سمجھنا بہت ضروری ہے. پردہ صرف جسمانی لباس کا معاملہ نہیں بلکہ ایک روحانی اور اخلاقی فریضہ ہے جو خواتین کی عزت وقار اور شخصیت کو محفوظ کرتا ہے. اللہ تعالیٰ نے قرآن مجید میں بہت سی جگہ پردے کا حکم دیا ہے تاکہ خواتین اپنی حفاظت کر سکیں اور ان کا دامن شر سے بچا رہ سکے.
السلام علیکم حجاب کا عنوان مزید تفصیل یہ ہے پردہ کرنا صرف دنیا کی نظر سے نہیں بلکہ اللہ کی رضا کے لیے ہونا چاہیے. یہ ایک عبادت ہے جس میں عورت کی عزت محفوظ رہتی ہے. پردہ کرنے سے نہ صرف آپ کی دنیا محفوظ ہوتی بلکہ آپ کی آخرت بھی سنورتی ہے. اللہ کا وعدہ ہے کہ جو اس کی رضا کی کوشش کرتا ہے وہ کبھی مایوس نہیں ہوتا. پردہ کرنے والی عورت نہ صرف اپنی زندگی میں سکون پاتی ہے بلکہ آخرت میں اللہ کی قربت اور جنت کی بشارت بھی پاتی ہے. اور بے پردہ عورت کا عذاب اس طرح سے ہوتا ہے اللہ اس کی قبر میں سانپ بچھو کیڑے مکوڑے اس کے لیے مقرر کر دیتے ہیں. اللہ ہمیں صحیح ہدایت دے اور ہم سب کو اپنی رضا کی راہ پر چلنے کی توفیق دے. آمین.
Everyone, I am from this classmate. I am welcoming to all of the science exhibition of the 2025 in our Hidayah High School. Today I am going to prepare my questions like the exterior of the building. First of all, rely on it and put out a small contribution from the exam. Let this be seen in one part and try to solve it in school. Take out the membrane. Observe the tip by adding a drop of water. To cover with the cover slip without forming air bubbles. Now your side is ready to observe.
Describe the resistance to the bacteria of antibiotics. Over the years, there has been rapid evolution of antibiotic resistance. There has been killing thousands of people annually. Causes of antibiotic resistance. You can see here the overuse of antibiotics can kill off the sensitive bacteria and allow the resistance to remain and flourish. We have make a study and survey report that out of 15%, 13% have agreed that antibiotic resistance occurs when your body becomes resistant to antibiotics and they no longer work as well. 12% agreed that antibiotic resistance is an issue that could affect me or my family. More than 13% people agree that everyone needs to use antibiotics responsibly. Most of the persons disagree that medical experts will solve the problem of antibiotic resistance before it becomes too serious. Most of the people agree that antibiotic resistance is one of the biggest problems that the world faces. 50% of people agree that antibiotics are directly brought from the primary and medical states. Thank you.
Good morning and welcome to Science Celebration of 2025 in myself, Vidya Padma, from 5th standard. Good morning, myself, Good morning, myself, Vidya from 5th standard. Good morning, myself, Today we are presenting a model on Junk food. Ploughing. The first farmer prepares the soil, then all farmer.
Let's see, this is irrigating. The next step is irrigating the crops. The young plants are watered regularly and insecticides are sprayed to keep them safe from insects. This is harvesting. In about 6 months, the crops are ready for harvest. Then they are harvested by many workers. Have been harvested. Grains are separated. Winnowing is
Wholesaler buys the sacks of grains from the farmers and retailers buy from the wholesaler. Retailers are distributed and local harvesting by goods of these
Good morning, a warm welcome to the Science Celebration 2025 in our CDS school. Myself, Mohammed Mufid Ali from 7th standard.
Good morning, a warm welcome.
Good morning, myself Mohammed Jamil from 7th. Today we are presenting the model of India states and capitals.
Today I am presenting the
There are 28 states and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Manipur, Bihar, Patna, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar.
Like this work, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Telangana. उत्तर प्रदेश लखनऊ, पंजाब चंडीगढ़.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening. Myself, eight step again, purple. Myself, Rajasthan. Welcome to our Agriculture Science Exhibition. The perfect magnified development teaches. Biogas. Biogas is an environmentally friendly, renewable energy source produced by the breakdown of organic matters such as food scraps and animal waste. Filter of biogas is commonly used in rural areas as cooking gas in Canada, replace non-natural natural gas used in bigger environments. Biogas is an increase also in marine scraps and gathering for and chemicals. Let me see how it works. Good morning, myself Rizal Hussain. Today I am presenting the model of sprinkler irrigation. A model device for watering is called sprinkler irrigation. It is used for conserving water in agriculture. These sprinklers are handy to use. It provides uniform watering all over the field. It is beneficial in the way that every drop of water reaches to every plant in a field. Let me show that how it works. Good morning, myself Sumanjali from 7th standard. This sprinkler it is called sprinkler irrigation. Thank you. We have conceived that drip irrigation and sprinkler irrigation can work with no water effect. Drip irrigation system is economical and very important for vegetables, growth, crops, etc. Thank you. Irrigation. Let me see how it works. Providing water to fields and vegetables is called irrigation. Irrigation should be done according to the nature of the soil and type of crop to be grown. Drip irrigation. This method is employed when the body of water is poured as the water leaves the plant. This is called drip irrigation. It consists of a long tube followed by small tubes attached to the first and the holes are made in the tube so that water comes out from the holes. The holes are adjusted in such a way that it provides water to gases and the living animals could receive water. Thank you. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity and for session to introduce myself. My name is Shanti Begum. I am 7th standard from Daya High School. My name is Jupiter. I am in 7th division from Daya High School. Welcome to our science exhibition of February 2025. Our presentation is about types of motion. Translatory motion. In translatory motion, there are two more types. First is rectilinear motion and second is circular motion. Rectilinear motion is a body translator motion which moves along a straight line. The motion is called rectilinear motion. Circular motion is a body translator motion which moves along a curved path. The motion is called circulatory motion. Now my friend will explain about ordinary motion. Ordinary motion is the motion of the particle of the center of first standard. In the center of axis of rotation. Oscillatory motion. The object is backwards, upwards, forwards, downwards on either side of the fixed point. Also, like this type of motion is called oscillatory motion. Today we are going to present the model of layers of atmosphere. Atmosphere that air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. Atmosphere is the lowest layers of the atmosphere and contain water and gas, oxygen and nitrogen. About 80% of all the air is in the atmosphere.
Stratosphere. It is about 30 kilometers thick. It is a clear, cloudless layer and sky below as the sky is always black. The ozone layer lies even treated that from most of and harmful ultraviolet rays.
Components are connected and about the same amount of electricity plus every component. If any one component is stopped, the total circuit will stop like parallel connection. They are connected across common points or not. If any one component is stopped, one will stop, other will continue to run. Thank you.
We welcome you to our special science exhibition and we will define our prestigious work.
Good morning, myself I am from 8th standard. Today we are presenting the model of power plant.
Is a magnetic that uses the kinetic energy of moving water to generate electricity.
The water flows through a pipe and spins a turbine which powers a generator to produce electricity. The electricity is fed into the power grid to supply homes, businesses and industries, etc.
Conclusion: hydropower has less negative environmental impact which are very different from those of fossil fuel power plants.
Welcome to science exhibition in our history school. My name is Abdul Nasir Ahmad, studying 7th standard. I am presenting model of vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner can be used to many types of surface, including carpet, hardwood, and floors. Thank you for listening.
kids, myself Viraj from 7th standard. Today I am presenting the working model of refrigerating system. Refrigerating system is the process of removal of wastages and substances from the body. Our refrigerating system has three safety techniques that passes through the kidney subfiltration. That passes through the kidney subfiltration through the let us see how it is done. As you can see, the red with waste material passing through the kidney passing through urethra through urinary bladder through urethra in the water. Thank you.
Today we are explaining about automatic rain detector. Rain water detector will detect the and help us to switch on the equipment, which will automatically save the water for different purposes. This is very useful if there is a chemical rain. Also, this is very common in industrial areas.
Working of rain detector. A sensor can detect the alarm between the transistor and the sensor. When the alarm stops, then this will be notified.
Good morning everyone. Warm welcome to the Science Day celebration 2025 in our PCC. I am Nithar studying in 7th standard.